I'm making a pumpkin donut icebox cake. So again, no baking required. We know that I'm also not a baker. So assembly only. I'm gonna sweeten up a little bit of whipped cream with some maple syrup.
Yum.
And a little bit of salt. We're gonna just shingle in the pumpkin donut. So I took a donut, I cut it once through and then once the other way.
Once horizontally and then across the center vertically.
So then I'm just gonna shingle these in the bottom. And I think it's about 10 per layer. This is a 9-inch springform pan. So then you take about a third of the cream, and everyone in the kitchen's like, Jeanette, use an offset spatula. And I'm like, I don't like offset spatulas. So I use the back of my measuring cup.
Good girl.
And I just, so do a few more rounds, you shingle them in again, top it with a little bit more whipped cream. And then I've got one on the back counter.
You want me to get it for you, baby?
Yes.
Oh, this looks fancy.
So you wrap this up in plastic wrap.
And you chill it?
Yeah, you chill it overnight. You can leave it in there for 2 days. It's fine.
What's that going on?
This is a little bit of powdered sugar mixed with pumpkin pie spice, because pumpkin pie spice is like the spice of the moment right now, as it always is. We just wanted to top it with a little bit of powdered sugar and pumpkin spice.
Lovely.
And I feel like this looks like you bought it at a fancy bakery, doesn't it?